Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable fingerprint scanner on the always on display screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. In here, you want to go down and tap on fingerprints. Next, put in your screen pin or password. Then go down and tap on fingerprint always on. If you want to switch it off, then turn this one off and select scan your fingerprint even when the screen is off. So now that I have turned off, you can see on my always on display screen, it will not show the fingerprint scanner. So if I want to scan my fingerprint, I will need to go into the lock screen to use it. And if I go back in here and switch it on, you can see that on my lock screen, on my always on display screen, it will now have a fingerprint scanner. So I can scan it directly from the always on display screen without having to go into the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.